Hey there in Palm Beach County, Florida. We are glad you stopped by. Welcome to Worldwide Car Donations. If you've got an old car or truck taking up your valuable parking space, perhaps it's time to get rid of it. I've got an incredible way for you to put it to good use. Donate it. Yes, you can donate any car or truck in Palm Beach County, Florida. Imagine turning your unused vehicle into meals for the hungry and homeless right here in Palm Beach County. Sounds amazing, right? I'm talking about Worldwide Car Donations of South Florida. We make donating your car or truck super easy and incredibly impactful. Whether your vehicle is running or not, we accept all makes and models. Here's the best part. Every donation helps feed the hungry and homeless in our community. So how does it work? It's simple. Just call us at 1-888-362-8844 or visit worldwidedonations.com. We'll handle everything from start to finish. No hassle, no stress. We even pick up your donated vehicle for free. Let's take a moment to think about Palm Beach County. From the bustling streets of Boca Raton to the vibrant areas of West Palm Beach, Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, Deerfield Beach, and everywhere in between, there are so many people in our community who need your help. Your car donation can make a real difference in their lives. Now, I know you might be wondering, does this really make an impact? Let me share a story with you. Melissa, a single mother from Lake Worth, was struggling to feed her family. Thanks to the meals provided by Worldwide Car Donations, she no longer has to worry about where their next meal will come from. This is the kind of change your car donation can bring. And it's not just Melissa. Countless others in the Palm Beach County area have similar stories of hope and relief because of generous donors like you. Remember, your donation is also tax deductible. Yes, tax deductible. So, not only are you helping those in need, but you're also getting a little something back come tax season. Imagine the funds from your old car transforming into hot meals, clean clothes, daily essentials, and hope for the future. This is your chance to make a tangible difference in the Palm Beach County communities. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call 1-888-362-8844 or head over to worldwidedonations.com to donate your car today. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and ways you can help out. Together, we can drive change one car donation at a time. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more inspiring events. Don't just take our word for it. Check out these amazing reviews from our satisfied donors in the links below. We proudly serve all the cities in Palm Beach County, including Boca Raton, Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, West Palm, and everywhere in between.